Have you ever asked an AI agent a really important question and gotten back with an answer that sounded confident but was totally wrong? You're not alone. Behind the scenes, most AI systems are still guessing. They are pulling from outdated training data, they're missing your context, and they have no idea what's true for your business. That's the problem we set out to solve. Hi, I'm Siddharth Rathod from Nurix. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what RAG actually is, where traditional setups fall short, and how Nurix is reimagining it to make enterprise AI actually work for real teams, with real data, and in real time. Alright, let's start simple. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Sounds fancy, but here's the idea. Most language models only know what they've been trained on. That means they can miss specific recent updates, company policies, or internal data you rely on. RAG connects those models to external or proprietary sources of information, your documents, knowledge bases, or chat logs, whatever you want. So instead of guessing, the model retrieves actual real-time context before it generates a response. You can think of it like this. First, it searches for your answer and then adds that information to your prompt, and finally, it generates a response that's grounded in facts and not fantasy. It is a smarter, safer, and more useful way to use AI in your business. Here's how RAG works behind the scenes. There are 4 main steps. Step 1, indexing. We take your data, could be PDFs, knowledge articles, emails, whatever, and then break it down into meaningful chunks. We convert those into vectors, which are basically searchable representations of the text, and then store them into a special database. Step 2, retrieval. When a user asks a question, the system searches across those vectors using semantic and keyword-based search to find the most relevant chunks of information. Step 3, augmentation. The retrieved content is now added to the prompt that is going to the language model. This gives it a real, factual context to work with. Step 4, generation. Finally, the model produces an answer, except now it's not just guessing based on its training. It's generating a response that's grounded in your actual data. Simple enough, right? But here's the catch. Just doing these 4 steps is not enough. Not if you care about precision, reliability, and scale. Most RAG systems look great in a demo, but start to fall apart when you plug in a messy, real-world data. Let me give you a few examples. First, chunking and embeddings. If you split up a document randomly, like in the middle of a sentence or a table, you're basically destroying the context even before the model sees it. Now, if your embedding model isn't tuned to your industry, it might confuse interest in finance with interest in hobbies. Context matters. Second is retrieval. This is trickier than it looks. If your query is vague, or if you optimize it for precision, you might miss important stuff. But if you optimize for recall, you start pulling in way too much irrelevant noise. Either way, your answer loses value. Third is prompt augmentation. Dumping too much information into your prompt can overload the model. Important details get cut off, and suddenly the output makes no sense. And finally, generation. All of these little problems pile up. The model might hallucinate facts, blend together unrelated sources, or give you just a long, smart-sounding response that's useless. So, what makes Nurix different? We didn't just adopt RAG, we rebuilt it to work in the real world. Let me show you how. First, we keep your content intact. Instead of breaking documents down into random chunks, we segment them based on meaning. That means we preserve full ideas. So what gets retrieved actually makes sense. Tables, lists, policies, we handle them all in a structure in the mind. Second, we teach the system your language. Generic models miss industry terms. Ours are tuned to your domain. So, interest rate in finance does not get confused with interest in hobbies. That's the kind of nuance that matters. Third, we find the right information fast. We combine smart semantic search with classic keyword matching. It's like having a wide angle lens and a zoom lens, so you get the full picture but stay focused on what actually matters. Fourth, we help the AI understand the question better. If a user asks something vague or complex, our system breaks it down into the scenes into simpler parts so that the model retrieves better answers even from unclear prompts. And finally, we make sure that the best answers show up first. We re-rank everything based on how the model sees it. So what you get isn't just relevant, it's the most useful version of relevant. So behind the scenes, we're orchestrating all of this across the best models in the world. It's built for speed, scale, and multilingual use. Here's the bottom line. AI can't help your business if it doesn't understand your business. At Neurix, we've built a platform that does. Our RAG system connects the dots between your data, your workflows, and the way your team actually answers questions. It plugs right into the tools that you already use, scale across teams, and gives you answers that you can trust.